Today, I would like to introduce you to Lugano, a city that has absolutely enchanted me. Lugano is one of the most beautiful cities in the Ticino canton, picturesquely situated by the lake of the same name. Walking through this charming place, I felt how nature, culture, and luxury come together here, creating an incredible atmosphere that I want to share with you. Strolling along the lake's shore, I could admire the crystal-clear water, surrounded by majestic mountains and numerous green parks, such as Park Oceani. This park is the heart of the city, perfect for a moment of relaxation, resting on a bench amidst greenery with a beautiful view of the lake. Lugano is a place where time seems to slow down, and I could briefly forget about the rush of everyday life. The old town of Lugano is a true gem. Narrow, cobblestone streets and characteristic Italian-style buildings give the city a southern charm. Wandering through its nooks and crannies, one can truly feel the spirit of southern Switzerland. Life here revolves around charming squares, such as Piazza della Riforma, which buzzes with activity all day long. Elegant boutiques, luxury shops like Prada and Louis Vuitton, and charming cafes invite you to stop for a while and enjoy local specialties, especially aromatic coffee and delicious ice cream. In the evenings, the square takes on a special charm, with street lights illuminating the old town, creating a magical atmosphere. The history of Lugano dates back to the Middle Ages, when the city played an important role as a trading point due to its strategic location between the Alps and northern Italy. Since the 14th century, Lugano was part of the influential Duchy of Milan, which contributed to its growth as an important trade center. In 1513, the city came under the control of the Swiss Confederation, which provided stability and further development. In the 19th century, Lugano became part of the newly formed canton of Ticino in a united Switzerland, which strengthened its position in the region. Today, the city is a symbol of luxury and prestige, not only due to the beauty of its surrounding nature but also thanks to numerous banks and luxury financial institutions that give it an international character. In Lugano, you can find renowned banks such as UBS, Credit Suisse, and Julius Baer, attracting clients from all over the world, offering them full discretion and the highest quality of service. During our walk, we also visited the train station, which is one of the city's most important transportation hubs. Located slightly above the city center, it offers an amazing view of Lugano's panorama and the surrounding hills. From there, you can also take the Funicolari Lugano station, which connects the station to the heart of the city, a convenient solution, especially for tourists looking to avoid steep climbs. The view of Lugano from this perspective is truly breathtaking, stretching across the entire city, the lake, and the surrounding hills. We couldn't miss a visit to the San Lorenzo Cathedral, a beautiful church located in the heart of the city, overlooking the lake. The cathedral is full of historical details and decorations, frescoes, and architecture that captivate with their beauty. The interior of the cathedral exudes a peaceful atmosphere, which encourages reflection and contemplation. It is one of those places that show how Lugano seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, offering something for history lovers and those seeking a moment of tranquility alike. A walk through Lugano is an extraordinary experience, from peaceful strolls along the lake, through the bustling old town full of luxury boutiques and elegant cafes, to the beautiful views from the area near the train station. Lugano is a city that impresses at every turn, perfect for a weekend getaway to enjoy the atmosphere of southern Switzerland and immerse yourself in the luxury of the Ticino canton.